Do you want to deflect common support questions and empower your customers with instant self-service? Creating a robust knowledge base is the most effective way to reduce agent workload and improve customer satisfaction. This video shows you how to easily draft, format, and publish articles in HappyFox, ensuring your customers can always find the answers they need. To start, navigate to Knowledge Base and click Articles. Here, you can view your existing content, separated into external articles, public-facing, internal articles, agent-only, and drafts. When you're ready to add a new article, simply click on the plus sign. You will be presented with the article creation page where you fill in the necessary fields. Name and slug text. Start by providing a clear title for your article. A slug text, which is a URL-friendly, human-readable label that uniquely identifies a piece of content on the web, will automatically be generated based on your title, which you can edit if needed. Contents. The article body. This is where you enter the core of your content. HappyFox provides a rich text editor, giving you full formatting capabilities, including bolding, lists, and tables. You can enter content manually, copy and paste, or even use your own source code to create the article. You can easily add pictures or attachments and create hyperlinks within the article text. It is recommended to upload images directly from within this page. If you're pasting images using dynamic URLs, ensure that the images in those URLs would always be active. Allow potentially unsafe content. If this toggle is disabled, HappyFox will remove unsafe HTML tags, attributes, and CSS properties when the article is published. Associate section. This is a mandatory step. You must associate the article with a particular section or category in your knowledge base. This ensures the article is grouped correctly for easy navigation and content discovery for your users. Right below the primary section, you'll see the Shared Sections field. This option allows you to share a single article across multiple sections and even different brands. By using this, you maintain one source of truth for your content across your brand knowledge bases. Attachments and tags. Attachments. You can upload any supporting documents or files here, which will be displayed below the article. Tags. Use knowledge base tags to help with search optimization. You can add existing tags or create new ones like login, password, or account help, so customers can find your article no matter how they phrase their search. Visibility. Define who can see the article by setting its visibility. External. The article will be public and visible to all end users who access your support center. Internal. The article will only be available to your admins and agents who can access the knowledge base module within the service desk, keeping sensitive information private. SEO options. The bottom of the creation page includes optional fields to optimize the article for search engines. You can customize the SEO title, meta description, and meta keywords to improve your ranking and ensure customers find your answers online. Publish or save. Once your article is complete, you have two options. Click Publish to make it immediately live as an external or internal article. Click Save as Draft if it's not ready to be published yet. Drafts can be reviewed and edited later. Articles are the fuel for your self-service engine, enabling quick resolution and freeing agents for high-value work. They also help train HappyFox AI and Assist AI for better automated responses. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.